Have you ever pulled a trash bag out and immediately worried that the bottom was about to give out? Yep, me too. Well, let me introduce you to the Kirkland trash compactor bags. These bags are definitely made for those heavier jobs. The box says heavy duty, and they really do mean it. These are definitely a lot thicker and sturdier than a regular kitchen trash bag, and they don't feel flimsy at all. They also have a drawstring at the top, which I really like because it helps keep the bag in place and just makes it much easier when you're ready to pull it out and tie the bag closed. All right, now let's look at how the bag fits into my trash compactor. You can see that the bag opens up nice and wide. So I'm just going to pull the top over the sides and then I'm just going to make sure it's sitting evenly all the way around. There's plenty of extra room so it doesn't feel like you're stretching the bag just to get a good fit. And since these are made from a thicker plastic, they feel a lot more secure when you start adding heavier trash or when the compactor starts pressing everything down. And when it's time to take out the trash, simply lift the bag out and tie it closed with the drawstring. No worries about tears here. Overall, these fit really well. They feel sturdy, and I think they're a good option if you're on the hunt for durable bags for your trash compactor.